How to switch to professional account on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can switch to professional account on Instagram, so just make sure to stick with me till the end. If you want to switch to professional account, currently you can see if I open up my Instagram app, then I come to my profile page. This is the kind of interface that you will see. Now it's a personal account. Now first thing, whenever switching to professional account, you need to make sure that your account is not private, because private account cannot be made a professional account. So turn off private account. After you do that, simply scroll and here look for the option called account type and tools and tap on it. Under account type and tools, you'll find an option that says switch to professional account. So tap on the switch to professional account option, tap on continue, select your reason as to why you want to switch it, select any option over here whichever you want to use, and once you've done that, you should be able to select those and then tap on the done option to switch your account to professional account. So I hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.